Imagine a place where nature paints its masterpieces on an epic scale, where every sunrise promises a new discovery, and adventure calls from every corner. Welcome to Brazil, a land of unparalleled natural wonders and vibrant cultural rhythms. Get ready to embark on a journey that will ignite your senses and redefine your idea of adventure. Brazil is not just a country, it's an entire world waiting to be explored. From the dense, pulsating heart of the Amazon to the rhythmic waves of its endless coastline, this nation offers an intoxicating blend of wild beauty and exhilarating experiences. Prepare to be captivated by landscapes that defy imagination. Our journey today will dive deep into the untamed spirit of Brazil. We'll uncover hidden gems, marvel at iconic landmarks, and inspire you to pack your bags for an adventure of a lifetime. This is more than a travel guide, it's an invitation to connect with nature on a profound level. Our first stop plunges us into the colossal embrace of the Amazon rainforest. This verdant labyrinth, the largest rainforest on Earth, is a living, breathing testament to biodiversity. It's a place where every rustle in the leaves tells a story, and every river bend reveals a new secret. Imagine navigating the mighty Amazon River, its vastness stretching beyond the horizon. You'll witness an incredible array of wildlife, from playful monkeys swinging through the canopy to vibrant macaws soaring overhead. The sounds of the jungle create a symphony unlike any other. Deep within this emerald kingdom, you can embark on guided jungle treks. Experienced local guides will introduce you to medicinal plants and elusive creatures. This immersive experience offers a rare glimpse into an ecosystem vital for our planet's health. Consider a stay in an eco-lodge, blending seamlessly with the environment. These unique accommodations provide comfort while minimizing impact, allowing you to truly disconnect and reconnect with nature. Nights are filled with the chorus of nocturnal creatures, a truly magical experience. The Amazon is a place of profound wonder and humbling scale. It reminds us of the delicate balance of nature and our role in preserving its magnificence. This is an adventure that touches your soul, leaving an indelible mark on your memory. Next, we journey to the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. Often overshadowed by the Amazon, the Pantanal offers an even higher concentration of wildlife viewing opportunities. It's a photographer's paradise and a nature lover's dream come true. During the dry season, animals congregate around shrinking water sources, making sightings incredibly frequent. You might spot capybaras, caimans, and an astonishing variety of birds. The sheer abundance of life here is simply breathtaking. The Pantanal is renowned as one of the best places on Earth to spot the elusive jaguar in its natural habitat. Imagine the thrill of seeing this magnificent big cat, a true apex predator, in the wild. It's an encounter you will never forget. Horseback riding through the wetlands is a popular and authentic way to explore. You'll traverse diverse landscapes, from open grasslands to flooded forests, gaining a unique perspective on this vibrant ecosystem. It's an adventure steeped in local tradition. The Pantanal's beauty lies in its vast, open landscapes and the incredible density of its animal inhabitants. It's a testament to nature's resilience and bounty. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer volume of life thriving in this extraordinary wetland. Prepare to be awestruck as we arrive at Iguazu Falls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. This colossal cascade of waterfalls, straddling the border with Argentina, is an experience that engages all your senses. The sheer power and majesty are overwhelming. The thunderous roar of millions of gallons of water plummeting over cliffs creates an unforgettable soundscape. Feel the mist on your face as you walk along the boardwalks, getting incredibly close to the churning waters. It's a truly immersive experience. The Devil's Throat is the most iconic section, a U-shaped chasm where water converges from 3 sides. Standing at its edge, you'll feel the raw, untamed power of nature. The view is absolutely breathtaking, a testament to Earth's geological forces. Rainbows frequently arch across the spray, adding a magical touch to the already spectacular scenery. The lush surrounding rainforest is home to toucans, coatis, and other vibrant wildlife, enhancing the natural beauty of the falls. It's a complete sensory feast. Iguazu Falls is more than just a sight, it's an experience that humbles and inspires. It reminds us of the incredible forces that shape our planet. This natural wonder is an absolute must-see for any adventurer seeking awe-inspiring beauty. Brazil boasts an incredible 7,500 kilometers of coastline, offering an endless array of sun-kissed beaches, dramatic cliffs, and vibrant marine ecosystems. From bustling city beaches to secluded paradises, there's a stretch of sand for every taste. This is where the ocean meets untamed beauty. Fernando de Noronha, an archipelago off the northeastern coast, is a protected marine park renowned for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. It's a diver's and snorkeler's paradise, teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and dolphins. The natural beauty here is simply unparalleled. For those seeking adventure, the waves of Florianopolis and other southern beaches offer fantastic surfing opportunities. Feel the thrill of riding the Atlantic swells, surrounded by stunning coastal scenery. It's an exhilarating way to connect with the ocean. The vibrant coral reefs along the northeastern coast, particularly near places like Porto de Galinhas, invite you to explore an underwater world of wonder. Snorkel or dive among vibrant marine life, discovering a kaleidoscope of colors beneath the surface. It's a truly magical experience. Beyond the famous stretches, countless hidden coves and deserted beaches await discovery. Imagine finding your own private paradise, where the only sounds are the waves and the rustle of palm trees. Brazil's coastline is a treasure trove of natural beauty. While our focus is on untamed beauty, Brazil's vibrant culture is inextricably linked to its landscapes. The energy of its people, the infectious rhythms of samba, and the delicious flavors of its cuisine add another layer to your adventure. This cultural richness enhances every natural experience. From the pulsating streets of Rio de Janeiro to the historic charm of Salvador, Brazil's cities offer a fascinating contrast to its wild frontiers. Experience the warmth of Brazilian hospitality and the joy of its festivals. It's a celebration of life. Taste the diverse culinary delights, from fresh seafood along the coast to hearty feijoada in the interior. Each region offers unique flavors that tell a story of its history and people. Food is an adventure in itself. Engage with local communities, learning about their traditions and way of life. Whether it's an indigenous village in the Amazon or a fishing community on the coast, these interactions enrich your understanding of Brazil. They add depth to your journey. This blend of natural splendor and cultural vibrancy makes Brazil truly unique. It's a destination where every moment is an opportunity for discovery, both in the wild and within its spirited communities. The rhythm of Brazil will stay with you long after you leave. Brazil is a playground for adventurers of all kinds. Beyond wildlife spotting and beach lounging, a myriad of thrilling activities await. Whether you crave adrenaline or a peaceful communion with nature, Brazil delivers. Your ultimate adventure is here. Hike through the dramatic landscapes of Chapada Diamantina National Park, discovering hidden waterfalls, ancient caves, and breathtaking viewpoints. The trails lead to incredible natural pools perfect for a refreshing dip. It's an explorer's dream. For the truly daring, paragliding over the iconic Sugarloaf Mountain in Rio offers an unparalleled perspective of the city and its stunning coastline. Soar like a bird, feeling the wind beneath your wings, with panoramic views stretching endlessly. It's an unforgettable rush. Explore the vast sand dunes of Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, where seasonal lagoons create a surreal landscape. Trekking across these undulating white sands and swimming in the freshwater pools is an otherworldly experience. It feels like another planet. Canyoning, rafting, and rock climbing are also readily available in various regions, offering different levels of challenge and excitement. Brazil's diverse topography provides the perfect backdrop for these high-octane activities. Push your limits in stunning surroundings. No matter your preferred level of adventure, Brazil offers an experience that will get your heart racing and leave you with incredible stories to tell. It's a destination that truly encourages you to step out of your comfort zone. As we marvel at Brazil's untamed beauty, it's crucial to remember the importance of sustainable travel. Protecting these precious ecosystems and supporting local communities ensures that future generations can also experience their wonder. Our choices as travelers have a significant impact. Choose eco-friendly accommodations and tour operators that prioritize conservation and ethical practices. Look for certifications and ask about their commitment to sustainability. Responsible tourism helps preserve the natural environment. Respect local cultures and traditions, and always seek permission before photographing people. Support local artisans and businesses, contributing directly to the well-being of the communities you visit. Your presence can make a positive difference. Minimize your environmental footprint by reducing waste, conserving water, and staying on marked trails. Leave no trace behind, ensuring that the pristine beauty remains untouched for others to enjoy. Be a responsible steward of nature. By traveling responsibly, you become an active participant in preserving Brazil's incredible natural and cultural heritage. Your adventure can be a force for good, contributing to the longevity of these magnificent places. Travel with purpose and respect. Ready to answer the call of the wild? Planning your Brazilian adventure requires a little preparation. The best time to visit depends on the region you wish to explore, as Brazil's vastness means varied climates. Research specific areas for optimal timing. For the Amazon and Pantanal, the dry season, roughly May to October, offers better wildlife viewing. Coastal areas are generally pleasant year-round, though summer, December to March, can be hot and humid. Consider your priorities when choosing dates. Visas may be required depending on your nationality, so check requirements well in advance. Learning a few basic Portuguese phrases will greatly enhance your experience and interactions with locals. A little effort goes a long way. Prioritize safety by researching reputable tour operators and being aware of your surroundings, especially in larger cities. Travel insurance is always a wise investment for any international trip. Prepare thoroughly for a smooth journey. Brazil is a country of immense scale and diversity, so consider focusing on one or two regions to truly immerse yourself. Don't try to see everything in one trip, allow yourself to savor each experience. This approach ensures a richer, more meaningful adventure. Brazil is a land of breathtaking contrasts, where the raw power of nature meets the vibrant spirit of its people. From the echoing calls of the Amazon to the thunderous roar of Iguazu, and the serene beauty of its endless coastline, Brazil promises an adventure that will awaken your senses and nourish your soul. It's a journey into the heart of untamed beauty, a place where every moment is an invitation to explore, discover, and connect. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Brazilian adventure today. Dive into the wild, embrace the culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Share this video with fellow adventurers, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and tell us in the comments below, which part of Brazil's untamed beauty calls to you the most. Let's explore this incredible world together.